Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create polls as well as the questions into your Instagram story by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do is just go open applications of Instagram. Hold on. And now if you already opened the Instagram, you just need to go into the story section by slide the screen into the right side. Okay, hold on, and this is the look when you already arrive in the story section. And now you just need to go explore the picture that you want to use for the story. Just need to go click these sections, and after that find out which story that you want to add to. Okay, for example, I would like to go choose with this. Okay, I would like to adjust in the size too by pinch the picture with two of my finger until also it's filled up the screen. Okay, and now to create a poll, you just need to go click this icon to explore the features that give by the Instagram. To create a poll, you just need to go click poll, and now you just need to put the questions that you want to ask to audience. For example, what is the best match for croissant? And now you just need to type the options. For example, latte and Americano. Okay, and after you're done with the questions, you just need to go click done. And now you can also adjust in the position for this poll by go click and drag it into the specific positions. You can also resizing by pinch it with the two of your finger. And after you're done with everything, you just need to go click add to your story. That's for creating the poll. But what if you want to create a question? You just need to go click the same tools or same icon and go click a question. And now you just need to go type the question that you want to use, or you want to give to your audience. For example, like other options, for example, to completing the previous tools. And after that, you just need to go click done and do the same another positions. And now after you're done, just go click add to your story. That's all the way how to create poll and question into your Instagram story. So if you find that today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into your channel.